Hello, we are at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, and do y'all notice anything different or missing? The bus stop or the tram station structure is missing. Here you can see from one of my older videos. Or really, it's relocated and repurposed for the queue line for the Dr. Diabolicals Cliffhanger roller coaster. It's Saturday, May 28, 2022, and this is an update video for the Fiesta, Texas new dive coaster. Unfortunately, my opening date prediction was wrong for the opening next month at the annual roller coaster rodeo. The date has been pushed back for the summer. The coaster is complete. They are working on the queue line right now. You can see some of the fencing stacked on the ground, and even some installed on the relocated coverage structure. They're still working on the loading station, but I just saw the park president's Instagram that 2 of the ride vehicles have been installed on the track. It's hard to see from this distance, but we zoomed in and you can see the ride vehicles. The coaster is steampunk themed, and Jeffrey posted this sneak peek picture as well. The park president's name is Jeffrey Seberg, and you can follow him on his Instagram and you can see all the updates. Anyways, this is our update video. Stay tuned for more as we keep on checking out to see what's new and what's going on. I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is Dark Dimensions Haunted House.